Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play multiplayer in Super Bear Adventure with your friends. So first go over to the computer in the game and press B to open up multiplayer mode. Now, click on create party. So this will connect you to the server and give you an invite code. So just copy that code and send it to your friends so they can join your friend. Just copy that code and send it to your friends so they can join your game. And then your friends need to go to the same computer, hit join party, paste the code you sent them, and then they'll pop up in your lobby. So this will make it easy for all of you to get into the same game and play together. And then after that, everyone just hits the ready button and you can start playing together. And that's it. You're done. So if this helped you out, drop a like. Thank you so much for watching. And for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.